Hey folks, what we got here is a 2020 Hyundai Kona with a 2.0 4-cylinder. We're going to change the air filter. And like most air filters, it's located in a box. On this one here, it's got two clips. One here, and then this whole top assembly slides out a little bit and then lifts up. Right? These are the pieces that it slides into. Okay, it's a little slot with two little pins, and they slide in like that. So when you put it back together, you're going to slide it in and then cap it. All right. It's located in here. Let me set you up with a tripod over here so you can see what we're doing. So I'm going to do the clips here first. One here, and this should be loose. Okay. Let me set you up on the tripod. There you go. All right. So in advance, I'm going to change the air filter. Found that AutoZone SA12057. This is what it looks like. Looks like a perfect rectangle. So it should have no direction of any specific way it should go. All right, so do the two clips. Lift this cover up. And this is the air filter right in here. There it is. All right. Think it's a little dirty? Yeah, look at that. Right in there. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to look inside and see if there's anything in there. Like there any dirt or any sand, which I see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little blow gun and blow that all off and get it out of here. So let's go and do that. All right, so I have this little handy little blow gun from Rigid from Home Depot. You squeeze it and it blows out all the dust. So I'm going to move the new air filter out of the way. I'm going to open this, open wide, to make sure there's nothing. What I do, I'm going to get a rag, and I'm going to cover the hole that goes towards the engine underneath. Right? And go get a rag. All right, I get a nice rag. I'm going to stuff it in this hole that's right in here. Matter of fact, I'm going to stuff it and I'm going to cover it and hold it at the same time. So there's no debris going in there. Take the little blow gun here. I'm going to blow this all out. Ready? Here we go. You can see all that stuff that came out, right? All right, so now I want to get our air filter, the new one. Like I said, doesn't go in any specific way. Open wide. Drop this in there nicely. All right, don't forget the two clips in the back there. They go into a little slot. I'm going to show it to you, matter of fact. This way. Okay, look right there. Okay, it's going to go into a slot like that. Okay, once they slide in, the rest is just going to snap on. Okay, so let's do that without making you fall. All right, so once it's slid in, the box is going to line up. Do your one clip, and you do your second clip. It's hard when there's a new filter, I'll tell you. Okay, there you go, people. All done. There's your air filter. Right? No need to remove any of the clamps over here because you're not lifting it all the way to the point where you're going to damage anything. At least you shouldn't damage everything. All right? That's it. There's your filter on the Kona. Little 4-cylinder. Thanks for watching.